We're developing a platform for detection of diseases in forestry based on UAV remote sensing and AI-based analytics. Ash dieback disease is spreading throughout the UK. So we're traveling around the country, visiting Oxfordshire, Staffordshire, Shropshire. Ash dieback is a fungal disease that it's affecting ash trees all around the UK. It basically kills the tree. You can tell by looking at the crown starts thinning out to the point where it loses all levels, the wood becomes brittle, and it becomes a hazard to people and infrastructure close to it. The solution is ERDO. ERDO works with technology that was born in intelligent agriculture. And basically in this project we're using hyperspectral sensors and LiDAR sensors to educate ERDO to then use simpler technology like RGB and multispectral sensors so that everyone equipped with a commercially available drone can come and identify ash dieback on a split of a second.
We are doing data collection all across the country. So we are trying to figure out which frequency shows up the best for ash dieback and then use that frequency to make multispectral cameras that can be put onto smaller commercial drones.
Today we're at Paradise Wood. It's a very sad display of what's happening to ash trees in the UK.
We are collecting the hyperspectral data and LiDAR data. So the LiDAR is used to create a digital elevation model on which the hyperspectral data is overlaid to create accurate data. So we have used the BFD drone here along with the Mjolnir hyperspectral camera, and we've used the DJI M300 along with the HoverMap LiDAR. We have also used the Trinity F90 Plus along with RGB cameras and multispectral camera on board.
We're here in Sandon Wood in Sandon States in Staffordshire. We're bringing research type technology into the palm of the hand of a woodland owner, a surveyor, so that large-scale surveys can actually be focused on problem areas, avoiding road closures, avoiding potential accidents, avoiding a significant liability to all stakeholders.
So this project is being funded by Innovate UK and DEFRA through the Innovate Farming program.
We have a fantastic team behind this project.
So Agri-Tech is the lead for this project, and we at UK Agri-Tech Centre are helping with project management and access to our drones.
They also have an amazing capacity for data analytics. And thanks to the support of Open University, this capacity is now expanded. And we, as Agri-Tech and lead manager, we are tasked with the development of the platform for the processing of this data and reporting to end users, thanks to our AI development team, Mahid, Highscale and Minerva. We're going to provide the stakeholders and users of our platform tremendous savings in terms of time and resources, and of course, eventually money, being able to concentrate exactly on the locations where they need to go, assess, mark, and then determine if that ash needs to be felled or not. And what we're trying to do is help map it so that we can further monitor its spread around the UK. And ERDO is launching as a web-based platform. What you will see is the results of those analytics. You will be able to use an interactive platform and go tree by tree, where you will see species classification, health classification, and of course, you will see how much your woodland is suffering from ash dieback. So at this time, we're keeping it simple. And you're going to be seeing the RGB images, the visual images of your woodland at a very high 3 centimeter resolution. So the way we have designed ERDO is to give you very fast analytics so that you don't have to go tree by tree. ERDO will do it for you so that you can, on a snap, identify the potential problem areas. But it will also make the classification easier and even export in a spreadsheet file.
We are hoping in the future we can apply these technology into different trees and to finding various diseases on those trees. For more details on this project or any other project, please visit our website or Agri-Tech's website.